1.5 ton in here. Little townhome situation. Bunch of cottonwoods. Probably why the old unit puked out. Probably didn't get cleaned enough. Number one way to wreck your air conditioner is to run it with that coil plugged with cottonwood or dryer lint. Okay. My coil situation. I'm going to take this gas apart. I don't know if I got to get rid of that or not. I only got a 14-inch coil. End coil. Biggest thing with these, make sure you don't block off this little area with your shelf or you'll be freezing up for sure. And a new door should fit right in there. Just had no AC for 2 years here. So we're going to cut this. I always open this up if we got a flush. We're going from R22 to 410E. So I'm going to cut this off here so I can reuse this elbow to go right back into the 90. This for level. I'm going to have to rebuild this platform in here. Always like to get it up higher if I got room like this too, so give it more airflow. So I'm going to move this up and get it level, or pitch to the front left where the drain is on that. Back one, get it level. Then I'll put this right one up on that and pitch it slightly to the front. And then we'll do the left one and set the front one on it and screw them all together. Make sure none of your equalization tubes are touching any metal in here and vibrating on these elbows or on the side of the metal. And we'll just get some measurements and cut this door up. Getting our door slit on here. That really didn't have to be moved. Soldered together here, getting ready. He ran out of nitrogen, he's flushing. And we'll solder up. Breaker on that AC was 20. They had a 25 in here, so we changed that out. Put the gas up. We're pulling a vacuum right now, and that'll be it. She's all dialed in. 14 degrees. Subcooling on these 1.5. Caps are on? No, I'm doing it right now. Ran him over. He's about 3-inch diameter. He's trying to piss all over Corey. Here, tip him down a little. He's trying to bite you. Okay, go ahead, buddy. Let's see you. Let him go. Yeah, busy road, busy road. I think he would have made it, but I almost ran him over. Go on. Go on. Down the hill. You gotta go down the hill. Grab them, will you? Oh man, what do you got on them?
You think that age he'll still take a finger off?
No, but he'd probably put a hole in you. Wow, he's cool. I never seen a red one like that. What's that thing? That looks like a rubber ducky.
Yeah, it is a rubber ducky, isn't it?
We're gonna get that, take that home, put it in the pond. Okay, here you go, buddy. Snails in here for you to eat. You better get in there. Go on. Yeah, take off. That boy. Now you're talking. Oh, sure. Pretty cool little inchworm doing his thing here.
This is the shit you come up with.
I'm telling you. I wonder what he is and how much damage he'll do to my trees.
An
Inchworm?
Yeah,
Well, considering he's only an inch long, probably not a lot.
not a lot. Once he's got eggs,